Mighty Whitey is a new star in the dancehall community. With songs like Fed Up and Look Into My Eyes that shot to #1, his new song, Cellular Phone, is poised to do the same.
Excuse pause cellular phone, make me call Antoinette and Simone. Tell him to move a Muslim coming on to take a trip down in the love zone. Jalafi ball and scream and moan when me start drink me old tiger bone. We just brush my shoes and fling with stone and tell the girl feel that.
Not everyone is happy with the success of Mighty Whitey. This is Rodney Price, a Jamaican that insists that Mighty Whitey has taken his lyrics.
I want blood clot pirate. In pirate me song in the ear, I just chop up in blood clot body. You see that gas fan?
Mr. Price does not have a visa. So unfortunately, getting to Mighty Whitey has become a bit of a challenge for him.
I turn big from a long time. Yeah man, what go on, Virgin? Yeah man. I saw them ill people up around here, you see me?
Answer the blood clot phone, Beanie. Tell them people here is who write my song.
Everybody knows that me write the tune them about it. Stop lying.
Mighty has been kind enough to lend us one of his latest tracks. It hasn't been released as yet, and Mr. Price is one of the first to be hearing the song.
You call that intro? Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy. That's my intro. Step in a whole face. Who for face you want to step in? My long face. I don't like what you start preaching.